You are going to love the 2016 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.